Tired of the endless cycle of sourcing products, managing inventory, and dealing with shipping logistics, all while trying to build your Shopify store? What if I told you there's a way to unlock a world of high-quality, pre-vetted products from suppliers all over the globe and have them seamlessly integrated into your store with just a few clicks? Today, we're diving into the game-changing secret that many successful dropshippers use to automate their product sourcing and fulfillment, connecting Spocket to Shopify. Spocket isn't just another app, it's a powerful tool that transforms your Shopify store into a dropshipping powerhouse. Think of it as a bridge, connecting your business directly to a vast marketplace of suppliers who handle everything from storing the inventory to shipping the product directly to your customer. This means you can focus on what you do best: marketing your store, building your brand, and growing your business. The best part? The products on Spocket are often handcrafted, made in the USA or EU, and come with faster shipping times, which means happier customers and fewer headaches for you. So, how do we make this magic happen? It's a surprisingly simple, three-step process. First, let's head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, on the left-hand menu, you'll see Apps. Click on that, and then click All Recommended Apps or simply search for Spocket in the Shopify App Store. You'll see a big blue Install button. Give that a click, and you'll be prompted to confirm the installation. Shopify will ask for your permission to connect the two platforms. Don't worry, this is just to ensure Spocket can communicate with your store to add products and process orders. Once you've accepted, you'll be redirected to the Spocket dashboard. Now for the second step, building your product collection. This is where the fun begins. The Spocket dashboard is your command center. You'll see a search bar where you can type in keywords for the products you're interested in, or you can browse by category. Let's say you're looking for sustainable home decor. Type that in, and you'll be met with a beautiful selection of products. Each listing provides a wealth of information: the product price, the shipping cost, the estimated delivery time, and the retail price. This last one is key because it shows you the potential profit margin. Once you find a product you love, just click the Add to Import List button. Your import list is like a shopping cart for products you want to add to your store. Take your time to build a solid list of products that align with your brand. Finally, the third step: pushing your products live. Once you've filled your import list with amazing products, head over to the Import List tab in your Spocket dashboard. You'll see all the products you've selected. Here, you have a chance to customize them before they go live. You can edit the product title, write a compelling description, and even choose which images to display. This is your opportunity to add your brand's voice and unique selling points. Once you're happy with how everything looks, simply select the products and click the Push to Store button. In a matter of seconds, those products will appear in your Shopify store, ready for your customers to purchase. That's it. Your Shopify store is now powered by Spocket. When a customer places an order, it's automatically sent to Spocket, the supplier is notified, and they handle the rest. You'll even get tracking information to keep your customer in the loop. This seamless process frees you up to focus on growing your business instead of getting bogged down by operational details. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.